This is the elevator at the Residence Inn by Marriott, Sarasota, Florida. Let's go to 3. Right way elevator. This used to be a US. This elevator is fairly busy, so we're not going to ride that much. But here's a look at the hotel hallway. Let's call it again. That's actually not the camera. The wall actually does have this like stripe pattern. So pretty interesting. I'm actually kind of surprised that they modded this. This was originally US, I think installed like early and mid 90s. A lot of the buttons were replaced with ThyssenKrupp vandal resistant, but unfortunately it got modded. We're gonna go to 1. Still has a GAL interlock. 2,100 pound capacity. No certificate seen anywhere in the elevator, but it does have a state ID number. Since no one's here, we're gonna go on one more ride. Again, there's that elevator interlock. So this was originally installed, I don't know what year, but probably early to mid 90s. It was a US soft touch. And when I filmed this back in 2016, it still had a lot of the buttons, plus a lot of slapped on Aurora TK vandal resistant. But between then and now, 2024, it got modded. Also, let's just send it up. You may think that this is the machine room right here, but no, it's actually a hallway that leads to the machine room. We're not gonna mess with it. We can at least listen to the motor. And that'll be it.